Welcome to the Motus Video Zone. With your copy of the Motus K53 book and these easy-to-follow videos, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to pass your test with flying colors. But first, let's deal with passing cars. Overtaking. Remember, whether you're passing a stationary object or a moving vehicle, the road you're on will determine the procedures to follow. Don't overtake unless necessary, and never at a pedestrian crossing. If there are two or more lanes traveling in the same direction, you must follow the lane-changing procedures for overtaking. You may only pass to the left if you're passing a stationary hazard and there is space to pass to the left, if you're passing a vehicle that is turning right, or if there are two or more lanes traveling in the same direction. As you approach and you need more vision ahead, check your blind spot to the left and position yourself for maximum visibility without leaving your lane or crossing a yellow line. To overtake, check your mirrors and blind spot to the left, then signal. Steer to the left and pass the obstacle, allowing safe space between your vehicle and the hazard. Accelerate if necessary as you pass, then cancel signal. As you return to the right, check your mirrors and blind spot to the right, signal, and return to your lane. When overtaking to the right, keep a safe following distance from the vehicle or hazard you intend to pass. If you need to slow down as you approach, check your rearview mirror before braking. If you need more vision ahead, check your blind spot to the right before moving into position for a look ahead. Don't leave your lane or cross the center line. To overtake, check your mirrors and your blind spot to the right and signal. Steer to the right and pass the obstacle, allowing a safe space between vehicles. Accelerate if necessary and cancel signal. When you return to your lane, check your mirrors and blind spot to the left. Signal, check blind spot to the left again, and steer left once safely passed. When it comes to being overtaken, you must ensure that you take action to provide as much safe space as possible and that your actions do not place other road users in danger. Be aware of other vehicles, maintain your position on the road, and do not make any sudden movements or accelerate. In two-way traffic, if you increase speed while being passed on the right, you will fail immediately. And that's it. Remember, these videos are here to help you better understand all the steps outlined in your Motus K53 book. So keep practicing and stay alert, stay safe, and stay ahead with Motus. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more K53 tips, competitions, and exciting prizes.